So when I came to Buffalo for a job interview, I was amazed by something that Dr. Susan and Robert Baker showed me. They showed me the microarray database. So that was amazing to me at that time because before I came to Buffalo, when I studied gene expression, I studied them individually. So each gene would cost me several years to figure out how they work, but when they showed me, it's a technique that examines the all the genes in the entire genome. That for humans it's like 30,000 genes. Now that technique was a little bit expensive at that time, but not divided by the number of genes. Now if we study the gene expression of a single gene, it might cost let's say $2,000, but to study the entire genome, 30,000 genes, it costs like $10,000. So it's amazing, and for a short amount of time you get tons of data you can work on. Now later, it's even more exciting because when I look at this data, everything looked very well organized, well studied, well prepared. Because for human study, everybody has a different lifestyle. So not like laboratory animals. We humans do all kinds of weird things, so each individual has their own life. So when we study them, that introduces a lot of confounding factor. Not like animals. Animals, we make them eat the same, sleep the same time, but for humans, different. So for human study, these doctors, they are very good at those. They enforce strict inclusion and exclusion criteria. So that makes the study group relatively uniform, so that the data is meaningful. And therefore, the microarray database they created has generated many papers. So in my opinion, the microarray database produced by Susan Baker, Robert Baker, together with Norma Nowak, is the best microarray database in the world.